What's up, Brandon?
Oh, man.
Are we filming our weekly video?
Yes, we are. What we got going on today?
Come around back, I'll show you guys a little sneak peek of a new project that we're working on. So this is the art file for a new F1 car wrap. This is actually from McLaren. We do F1 display cars pretty frequently, so McLaren hit us up to wrap a display car for them. Let's go in the back, let's take a look at that car as well as everything else we have going on in the shop. So we have a full house, or full Haus as we like to say. This is the F1 display car that I was just talking about. This one obviously has a different livery on it. These cars get rented out all the time, so we're constantly changing the liveries on them. We have this one and another one next door in storage. So at some point, either in this video or the next one, you will see the process of this thing getting changed to the McLaren livery. Here, of Rivian, this car is going to get 2 front window tints and the windshield and Xpel XR Plus. Have a customer's M3 that's been living with us for some time. We did a ton of stuff to this car, full body PPF, full window tint, ceramic coating, put Vorsteiner carbon grills in there. Down here as well, the Venturi ducts, Venturi air intakes, the Vorsteiner front lip, ceramic coated the wheels and calipers, ceramic coated the interior. We did the M center console there. PPF the backs of the bucket seats, did lowering springs, downpipe, pretty much everything that you can do to this car without going too crazy. We did it. Then we have a custom set of limited edition magnesium BBS FIRs, 1 of 50 for the world, that are waiting to be put on this car, and then this car will be going back to its owner. Next, we have the Bugatti Bolide. Now this car is just nuts. It's insane to say the least. And on this car, we did a paint correction, full body paint protection film, and a ceramic coating. Next to it is a P1 GTR with the Lark livery. The best part about this car is it is road legal. So this has the conversion. Basically, what goes into converting this car to be street legal is you get the functional windows, right? So on the track version only, it'll have a little sliding window here. This has real working roll down windows. You get turn signals, you get a different steering wheel. This car, I think it's locked, so we're not gonna open it, has the racing steering wheel in there right now, but you also have the option for the normal steering wheel to drive on the street. You get your front lift, and whatever else is needed to make this car road legal, but it has it. Next, we have our shop 6x6 getting a full makeover. So as you can see, the color on this, the paint on it is white. We're removing the wrap. It's been on here for about 7 years, so naturally with vinyl. It's gotten banged up over the years. It is due for a makeover. Over here, we have, in my opinion, the best Corvette generation ever made. C6 Grand Sport getting a front end clip done. So it's Xpel 10mm paint protection film, going to cover the front bumper, hood, fenders, headlights, mirror caps. Next to it, we have a 4Runner. This car is getting full front end with full window tint, ceramic coating, and ceramic coating on the wheels and calipers. Here we have a Cybertruck that was done in pure PPF. I believe Satin Battle Green is the color. That is wrapped up, and as you can see, it is leaving. Next door to the 6x6, we have a Ram TRX that is in for a full color change. So as you can see, this thing is pretty stripped down with more to come, right? When it comes to these wrap removals, especially when they're so in-depth, this is how you do it right. The 6x6, it's gonna get the same treatment. Obviously, we started removing things to be proactive and try to be ahead of the schedule. However, there's a ton of stuff that needs to come off this car, same as this one, right? Things that are gonna come off this one, as you'll see in a dedicated video to itself that we're gonna be posting here in the future, the near future, this thing's gonna be stripped down as bare as it can be. Fenders are gonna be off, front bumpers are gonna be off, headlights, turn signals, vents, hood, doors are gonna have to come off because the door jambs are wrapped on here too. Lights up top are gonna have to come off. Tail lights, tailgate, you name it. To do a proper wrap job, you have to disassemble the vehicle, at least when they're technical like this or like this, right? This is wrapped past the fender lines in a truck like a TRX or a Raptor. The reason why you would do something like that is because, let me see if the other fenders are on. They're all taken off, but basically you have your black plastic fenders that sit right here. Now, if you stopped just at this line right here, imagine this hand is the fender, this other hand is demonstrating where the film would stop. Over time, it's gonna vibrate like this against each other and start to pull the film back, right? So that is why this car was wrapped past that line. Now, just like I said with the 6x6, same thing with this guy. Have to take everything off. All the plastics have to come off. The side vents here on the fenders, the fender flares here, the vents on top of the hood, as you can see. It's all wrapped underneath that, but still got to take out the headlights. Probably gonna have to take out the front bumper, the grille, definitely side mirrors. As you can see, the door handles come off. These are gonna have to come off. Like, it's a super in-depth wrap job. To be honest, we hate doing wrap removals here, but this is for a good customer. We're re-wrapping this. This is actually gonna be in pure PPF. Dubai gray, I believe the color is, and that color actually mimics the BMW factory color Dravit gray. So you'll see that in a separate video as well. Next, we have really cool, fully restored, old long bed dually. It is slammed, as you can see. Come take a look at this interior. Not only is the paint absolutely perfect on this car, so is the interior. I mean, it looks like a brand new truck in here. Peep the suede headliner too. This car is, or truck is nuts, but on this guy, we are doing a full front end paint protection film, as well as the rockers or lower half of the doors. It's gonna go all the way up to the bedsides here. And then a ton of stuff in the back too. We also have this Tesla here. It's getting full window tint. We do a ton of Teslas all the time. We have a brand new Mercedes E-Wagon. This car actually, the customer didn't even take delivery of it yet. He had the car delivered to our shop for us to do our driver's package paint protection film. Now what that's gonna consist of is the full front end with the rockers and the rear bumper of the car. We're also gonna be doing a paint correction, ceramic coating, and tinting all the windows. We have a Raptor that is back. We actually did full window tint on this car or truck, and he came back because he wanted to get the full front end done, and then he was like, I don't know what I want to do with the truck after that. So he's like, maybe in a year we'll do a stealth paint protection film job on it too. So that thing will be back again in about a year. We have our company van that we just finished. This is our mobile detailing unit. So for those of you who don't know, that's how we started. We went from a van like this, well, actually a dingy van before this, then we upgraded to this bad boy, and this thing has been with us for about 3 or 4 years now. And this van has helped us go from our first small shop to our second shop to now our third home base for many years to come. And then we have a Rivian over there getting a stealth job. And then we have a Cybertruck next to it that is getting the pillars redone. Now, it's a very common thing that happened with the Cybertrucks. All of those pillars got recalled. So everybody who had a Cybertruck done in a vinyl or colored PPF all had to end up going back to get more film put on them. So that's what that truck is here for now. And yeah, that's all the projects that we have in the shop right now. If you're in the Las Vegas area or the surrounding area, feel free to stop by. We'd love to do an in-person experience with you, take you through our facility, let you see all of our work, whether you're interested in a vinyl wrap, company wrap, paint protection film, window tint, detailing, ceramic coating. Feel free to reach out to us. We'd love to help you out.